Hello everyone, I am visiting my village in Greece and it is a time and season for Loquats. My beautiful village in Greece is full of these golden yellow fruits. I had so much fun harvesting Loquats from our yard. This versatile fruit can be used in any recipe where you use any stone fruit like peaches, apricots, or even plums. We call them Muzmula or Despola in my village in Greece. Please tell me in the comments box how you call them in your language and what recipes you make from them. Loquats have high pectin content and are great candidates for jams, jellies, pickles, salsa, smoothies, ice creams, and chutneys and anything that you want. Today, I will show you how to clean and store loquats and make loquats jam. We call loquat jam as Despola glico in Greek. Please tell me in the comments box how you call it in your language. The health benefits of loquat fruit are many. They reduce high blood pressure, lower the risk of cancer, boost immunity, and help you lose weight. This awesome fruit is a panacea for almost all ills, including reducing cholesterol, and it's a great remedy for diabetics patients. I love this time of the year in Greece and I promise you to bring many more videos from my village until I go back home to US. I also got a chance to spend a lot of time with my mom and aunties and learn so many delicious Greek recipes from them. I can't wait to upload my new videos from Greece on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed my loquat video. If you like it, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Cleaning the loquat is the only hard thing about this fruit. Cut it in half. There is a big bit inside. Just get rid of that. And there's a membrane that goes with it. Get rid of the skin. Comes out very easily. I'm going to try to be as fast as I can because they are turning brown very quickly. like this. I'm going to continue to do it and make as many ziplocs as possible. I'm also going to harvest enough to make loquat jam, which I'm going to show you later. I'm done with all the loquat picking, cleaning. It was quite a lot of work, but now I'm ready to go and start preparing my loquat jam. I have here about 1.4 kilos of cleaned up loquat, about 3 pounds, and then half of that is sugar, about 700 grams or about a pound and a half of sugar. I also have put juice of one lemon just to make sure that the color is not too dark. So with that, let me start. I don't want to make the heat very high. I want to cook it in a low flame. Takes about a couple of hours, but you don't want to burn the sugar. So let me first start by transferring all my loquats. My loquat jam is ready and looks wonderful. I'm going to tell you how we eat this in Greece. The yogurt here is a traditional Greek yogurt from sheep. It's a beautiful yogurt, a great accompaniment for any dessert. We call this as Muzmula, Despola, Loquat. Any way you call it, it's a beautiful dessert. Let me taste it. Wow! I've seen glycos being made in Greece with virtually all kinds of fruits, but never from loquat. And this, in my opinion, is the best glyco ever.